What's good, gang? We got an unboxing today. Just ordered a P80. Just gonna do a little quick unboxing today. I just ordered from MDX Arms. I think I paid like $400 for this. Came with some stickers, some parts, trigger kit. And for the trigger kit, I got the MDX LPK instead of the P80. Then we got the jig. I got the G26. Jig. Then the screws. And the barrel I got, it was I believe it's FDE color. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Threaded barrel. I'm at non-threaded barrel. Yeah, pretty clean though, man. Probably be putting it together today. I'll let y'all see what it look like. Yeah, man, that's it though.